And what was that transition like? Was it pretty immediate, or did it take a while to get your first clients?
Yeah, so to go from one job to another is really difficult. It's a big decision to jump, you know. So I was a home builder and I wanted to be a home inspector. So I had to make the decision to stop doing what I'm currently doing and change everything and become something else as quickly as possible. And you can only do that if you work really hard and save money so that in that transition you just live off your savings, and then when you make a decision to open up the new business, you can do that. You can survive that transition, and that's what we did. So to go from being a home builder to being a home inspector was really exciting, and we worked really hard. When you first start off in a home inspection business, it's all about marketing with very little time for anything else. You're just trying to get that phone to ring. Well, back then it was just about the phone to ring. Now it's more like online scheduling. But you're just doing everything about marketing, and it's really everything, almost door to door, emailing, making presentations, discounting your service to get a foot in the door, anything to just keep on going and getting referrals after referrals. And that's what we did. We just were fantastic marketers. And so we were up and running and overwhelmed by business within a year.